You may have seen different toothpaste recipes that bring in charcoal as an ingredient. This can be a bit confusing to some people as to why it is used. The main reason that charcoal can be used in your dental care routine is to help with whitening. If you still aren't sure how this ingredient can help with your whitening routine, consider how to use it and what it does for your oral care plan. Use powder. If you have never used charcoal to whiten your teeth, then you may not know what the best method of charcoal use is. Use powder. It is that simple. You can buy the charcoal powder at most health food stores and online. You can also use the powder in capsule form. If you will be using the charcoal only, which is more abrasive, but is used less often through the week, then capsules will be your easiest choice since one capsule is the same as one dose or use. Mix the powder. Once you have the charcoal powder and are ready to start your teeth whitening routine, you will need to mix the powder in some way. If you want to use the charcoal in the purest form, then you will only be mixing the powder with a small bit of water on your toothbrush. If you use this method, you will want to only do it once or twice a week as a deep whitening method. If you want to use it daily, mix the charcoal powder with a basic coconut oil and baking soda toothpaste. You will only want to use 4 capsules with the mixture to cut down on any massive abrasiveness that could be caused. Rinse completely. The final step in using charcoal to whiten your teeth is more of a precaution than it is a step in the process. You will brush with the charcoal mixture of your choice for at least 1 minute. After you have brushed, you will spit and rinse as normal with toothbrushing techniques. However, you will want to take the rinsing up a notch and rinse more than once until there is no grit left in your mouth. Any grit left behind can work between the teeth and gums, grind against your teeth, or cause pain in some other way. Keep in mind that if you are buying charcoal, you should be buying it in powder or capsule form. Capsules are a bit easier as one capsule is generally one dose, or use of the charcoal for teeth whitening purposes. Remember that it does stain, so be careful when using it in light-colored clothing.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.